house for you there.
It's pretty freaking cool, dude.
Yeah, if we'll probably clay bar, we'll like wipe it off and inspect it, and then like get these bugs off. With that shit, we'll just make it work.
That's like the whole idea behind it. You use a little bit, dip in, rinse it off, and like all the contaminants fall through that grate into the bottom of the bucket. That way you keep getting fresh, clean water.
That's so cool, dude. Like, I mean, that's a use a hose after, bro.
Right, bro?
I really want to buy a model and then just try it out on my whole truck.
Flip it over your arm. Yep. But yeah, no, not the whole.
I thought you said the whole thing.
See how mine is just like half draped over my arm?
Oh.
That way we can grab the center.
Nice.
Right. Good. Jerk it down. Now you can flip this piece back over.
Alright, so we're in Chambersburg here. We're doing a residential job for some customers. As you can see out here on the other side of the windows, their neighbor had a white vinyl fence installed. And the main problem that they're dealing with is the reflection off of the vinyl fencing. These two panels are not done, and the rest of these are done. We did Xpel's evening view 25%. And you can tell what a difference it makes as far as with cutting down the amount of reflection and glare off of that white vinyl fence.
Piece of film from the plotter. Cutting it here and here, so it's got to come off. What a shame.
Beautiful piece too.